Welcome to TDS Online Math. Let's solve for x together. Given 50 exponent x squared equals to x. Solution. Now, given 50 raised to x squared equals x, from here, what we will do is to bring this power down, and I have only one option. What I will do is to take log. So I'll introduce a natural log. Okay, so when you have ln of a to the power t, the same as t ln of a. So I have ln of 50 raised to x squared equals to ln of x. So from here, since this one is giving us this, we can apply it here. So the x squared will come behind. That will be x squared ln of 50 equals to ln of x. All right, so let's send the x to the right hand side. I want the x to be on one side. So what I will do here is to divide both sides by x squared. So once I do that, this one will go. Okay. I have ln of 50 equals to ln of x on x squared. Now, before we can solve for x, we have to apply Lambert W function. Now, when we have y times e raised to y and take W function, the answer will be y. And one more thing, when you have e raised to ln of something, the result is that thing. So we are going to use the two formulas here, or the two identities here. Okay. Now, we need to support this x squared here. So what I would do is to raise this one with e. Okay. So once I raise this one with e with ln of x squared, and going back, the result will still be x squared. Okay. So my next step will be ln of 50 equals to ln of x on. So instead of x squared, I'll make it this. Okay. So e raised to ln of x squared. Y. This one will pave way for this one, therefore giving us W function. Okay. So that's that. All right. Now from here we can write the right hand side. Okay. We can write the right hand side in a linear form. Okay. So just as 1 over a to the power n is the same as a to the power minus n. So as the right hand side will be. So my next step will be ln of 50 equals to ln of x times e raised to ln of x to the power minus 2. All right. Now from here, since this one is a power rule, my ln of 50 equals to ln of x. So we have e. Don't forget that this one will come behind. That will be minus 2 ln of x. Remember, we are working towards something important here. So y times e raised to y. So remember this one. So we have the e here. So our aim is achieved here. but what is here must be equal to what is at the back or what is behind it. Okay, so let's make sure this side is the same as this side. Okay, now let's check the two sides. Now from here we have minus 2 ln of x, and this side is ln of x. So something is missing. That is minus 2. This minus 2 is missing here. So I need to balance it, okay, by multiplying both sides by minus 2. So I have minus 2 ln of 50 equals to minus 2 ln of x, okay. So I have ln of x times g raised to minus 2 ln of x. So this one is achieved, okay. So from here I can take w function. So w function, so we have minus 2 ln of 50 equals w function minus 2 ln of x e raised to minus 2 ln of x. All right, so remember the rule: when you take w function of this times e raised to the same thing, the result will be one of them. So my right hand side will be minus 2 ln of x, and we have w function of minus 2 ln of 50. Okay, all right, now from here we can manipulate this side. Okay, so we can say 2 times minus 1 times ln of x. Remember the rule: when we have t ln of a, the same as ln of a to the power t. So if this side is minus 1, it will come up here. Now our aim here is to get rid of this negative. So have 2 ln of x to the power minus 1. Okay, so this one remains the same. W function minus 2 ln of 50. Okay, so from here we can divide both sides by 2. Okay, and we have this, so this one will cancel. So my right hand side will be ln of, so this one is the same as 1 over x. Okay, then we have this one. So I have w function on 2 equals to ln of 1 over x. Remember, we have the x. So what we will do here is to get rid of the ln of the right hand side. Remember, e raised to ln of y, the same as y. Very powerful. So from here, I'll raise this side. Okay, so have e raised to that. Okay, and I'll do same to the left. So I have e raised to w function of this on 2. So this side will make this side go. I will have it 1 over x, and this side will be e w function minus 2 ln of 50 on 2. So my x is when I interchange this, so I have x equals to 1 on e raised to w function of minus 2 ln of 50 on 2. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, so the given question, okay, 50 raised to 50 raised to x squared equals to x. Okay, x has been provided as one on e raised to w function of this. All right, thanks for watching.